deviation. Blow your waist to go overdrive. No manipulation, no saturation. Take advantage of what you deny. This is the new flesh. This is the open door. We got everything you wanted. Want it all right now. Praise how high overrated, so degraded. The show has just begun. Praise how violated by all you hated. This will make you a new manipulation, oversaturation. Take advantage of what you deny. So say a benediction for a new addiction. Blow your waist to go overdrive. So step right up and see the possibilities. We are everything you wanted. Want it all right now. Praise how high overrated, so degraded. The show has just begun. Praise how violated by all you hated. This will make you ultra numb.
I've got my life laid out in front of me like roads drawn on a map. I've had so many times where I slipped off the beaten path. I took the time to see the picture and for what it's worth,
I'd walk 1,000 miles without my shoes to make it work. I swore to God that I'm never coming back. Kept my faith when I was clapped. Staring at the world through a crack in the floor and these metal doors that got me trapped. I've got to remind myself that my mind is strong so I won't lose my head. I've got my demons that I fight with every little thought and every breath. I wear my heart up on my sleeve so my soul's exposed. And I carry this disease, the weight of the Holy Ghost. God, can you hear me? God is missing. Take it back, my friend. All the things that you said about the end. This is it, this is me telling you it ain't over till it's over. Give it up, my friends. The story's settled even if you won't admit. Study that, fight around without a doubt. It's over when it's over.
You've got your life laid out in front of you like a car crash. Unconscious at the wheel cause you were driving too fast. But if you took the time to check up in your rearview mirror,
You'd see the things you're driving from are your biggest fears. You gotta get back up from the wreckage above and walk right through the fire. No matter what happens, the fact is that the flames keep getting higher. You gotta keep it going, keep tiptoeing to the fire, the flames and the pain of knowing the world is dark. Gotta keep on going, gotta give that spark, gotta keep. I wear my heart up on my sleeve so my soul's exposed. And I carry this disease, the weight of the Holy Ghost. God, can you hear me? God is missing. Take it back, my friend.
been loco, masochistic, suicidal. All these things make me homicidal.
I don't give a fuck what you think about it. I'd just as well kill you today.
No more apologies, it's all I can take. No more regret for the choices that I make. You say you love me, you hate me, I don't give a fuck today. No more apologies, it's all I can take. No more regret for the choices that I make. You say you love me, you hate me, I don't give a fuck today. Gone today, the weight of the world. They say my pain is over as long as I stay sober.
I'd just as well kill you today.
No more apologies, it's all I can take. No more regret for the choices that I make. You say you love me, you hate me, I don't give a fuck today. No more apologies, it's all I can take. No more regret for the choices that I make. You say you love me, you hate me, I don't give a fuck today. You think your life is done, you took it all with him. So you drink enough for it to wash away the sins. It's such a shitty thing he did, the way he said goodbye. You can take it out on me if you like. Fuck away the pain, erase them from your brain. Fake it like you love me, come on baby, touch me. Show me where it hurts, this dirty little curse. Don't have to be ashamed if you wanna scream my name while I fuck away the pain. You hate the way he fooled around behind your back. A slave to him, but now with me, no strings attached. But if you wanna use me up and leave me in the bed, if that's what you need, go right ahead. Fuck away the pain, erase them from your brain. Fake it like you love me, come on baby, touch me. Show me where it hurts, this dirty little curse. Don't have to be ashamed if you wanna scream my name while I fuck away the pain. Stronger than a shot of whiskey or any pill you take. Fuck away the pain, erase them from your brain. Fake it like you love me, come on baby, touch me. Show me where it hurts, this dirty little curse. Don't have to be ashamed if you wanna scream my name while I fuck away the pain. Erase them from your brain. Fake it like you love me, come on baby, touch me. Show me where it hurts, this dirty little curse. Don't have to be ashamed if you wanna scream my name while I fuck away the pain. Fuck away the pain. While I fuck away the pain. Oh yeah.
off as a gladiator with Jada Brain on 808. I'm like Johnny Mnemonic, the body highly robotic, shoot a microscopic laser rays. You ain't know? We reboot it. Alcohol 2.0. Don't be stupid, run when you got the chance, cause this time, Bang Gang Watson in. Don't hesitate, I'll decimate. It ain't nothing to push a button to detonate. Spit fire and trip wire, you get blew up. Let's go. Suit up. Suit up. Suit up. My genetic is cybernetic. Kinetic energy got my enemy side of crevice. Literally, by the medic in 9 seconds. Pop, pop, more shots than a diabetic. Pathetic, lay on the ground, saying the sound to get an AK to your crown. Does it look like I'm playing around, spraying around with AK? I'm laying them down. Just like that, fight back, and end up begging for your life chat. So run when you got the chance, cause this time, Bang Gang Watson ass. Don't hesitate, I'll decimate. It ain't nothing to push a button to detonate. Spit fire and trip wire, you get blew up. Let's go. Suit up.